Brookville Equipment is a world-class manufacturer.
We are an American-owned and operated company.
Completely American-made, start to finish.
Right here in Brookville, Pennsylvania.
Brookville is a custom manufacturing shop that has been around for over 100 years now.
We manufacture mining equipment, tunneling equipment, locomotives, streetcars.
We also do special projects which include amusement parks, incline cars.
We do it all in-house, from the engineering and design to manufacturing, testing and delivery of that final product that the customer was needing.
From day one, that's what we were doing 100 years ago, building custom rail equipment. So it's well designed, thinking about safety, thinking about quality.
Brookville is definitely a small prototyping shop, very customer focused.
So the one-off style solutions that a lot of people can't find from the bigger companies, we're able to do it.
Really getting to understand the customer and designing equipment that is going to perform to their needs.
At the end of the day, they're going to get something that they really truly want.
Exceptional customer value, highly engineered products.
We have the capabilities of having all this cutting edge tech and people in our workforce that are skilled.
We have a very talented group of engineers here.
And there's something new every day that we get to do here. So it's evolving, it's ever-changing.
Our people, they come in every day, they work very hard, but they're committed to Brookville.
Brookville has really taken a strong initiative toward lean manufacturing and working toward eliminating waste within our production.
So we're always looking to push the envelope on how do we become more environmentally friendly.
Because we're staying innovative. We're trying to stay up on the best technology. We're trying to provide our customers with the latest and greatest.
At the end of the day, we want to make sure that our customer is happy with the product we're providing.
We want to build the relationship with end customer.
We'll be around with them through the life cycle of the equipment that we make for them.
Having those clients then, voice their appreciation and their respect for the equipment that we delivered and how happy they are with it, it brings a sense of pride within the company.
Knowing that when it's done, it's in a running car that other people get to enjoy.
All this time, hard work that Brookville has put in is, making customers happy out there on the backside of things.
We're doing some pretty large scale stuff that goes all over the world, so it's something to be proud of.
And knowing that from little Brookville, Pennsylvania, we were able to create that.